Mal about to cross. What's the river called?
The Dewey.
Dewey.
Or the Dewar. The Dewar goes into Maria River.
Okay.
Holy crap.
You right?
Bastard! Don't come through here, mate.
What'd you hit?
Bloody big hole.
What were you saying about wet feet, Mal?
Yeah, go straight through.
Alright.
There's huge rocks just here. Oh. What's here, mate?
This doesn't look good for me, Mal. Cool. Mal's wet. Really, really wet.
I just wanted to see if there's any local fish.
and how's that working for you?
If there was, mate, they're squashed under the dummy.
And guess what? Scott didn't fall in.
Yeah, my camera broke. Oh, yeah.